friends, how's it going? You are joining me from my trip to Jimmy John's, after which we're going to Slush Sunday, which is a really big car show here in Colorado. I'm looking forward to it, but yeah, I definitely need to grab a buy date before I go to car shows. I made that mistake yesterday, and out here we tend to learn from our mistakes. So I'll catch you guys when we get there. Sandwich has been procured. All right. Next place is a little pre-meet we've got going on to meet up with the group before we head to the car meet. But if I leave now, I'm gonna be early, so I don't know what to do necessarily. Honestly, I might just show up early and eat there. That's probably a good idea. All right, I'll catch you guys there. Well, we made it. Look at the state of my windshield. Maybe you can't really tell on camera, but well, I guess that's a good thing. But we're here 15 minutes early, so gotta wait for the friends to show up. But I really thought there'd be a car wash here. Unfortunately, there's not. So we'll see. Maybe we hit one up after this or something like that. But other than that, I'm just gonna be out here eating and waiting for people to show up. There's a couple of us here now. I think we're just kind of chatting and then heading out afterwards. I'll pick up one of these. Well, I just got called a yuck mouth for buying this, so great. No, I'm kidding. But I think we're getting another friend joining us here. Let's see. Oh, there he is. Awesome. All right, so it turns out there is a car wash like across the street that way called Cobblestone or something like that. So I'm gonna go to it to try to get it done quickly. I don't know if there's anything I can do to speed along the process, but we'll see. I'll catch you guys there. All right, can I keep it 100 with you guys? I have never been in one of these automated car washes before where like you just step on the brake and it pulls you through it. I'm fucking scared. I feel like I'm jiggling. I feel like I'm not moving correctly. My foot is on the brake. Look at this. I'm fucking terrified. Where's the brake press? I'm fucking scared. This is in drive. It said to put it in neutral. I don't know. It's maybe put it in neutral. I'm just vibing. I don't know what's happening. It looks like it looks like we're gonna make it out, boys. It looks like we're gonna make it out. Do I let go of the brake here? I think I let go of the brake here and just leave. I did it. I did. I'm fucking scared. Well, it looks like I didn't make it off exactly scotch-free. Look at this. My mirror is like fucked. But that's fine. It does that on purpose, so it's not like it's broken or anything. I just gotta fold it back. There it is, man. Nice and clean. I survived. All right, so we're heading out from the gas station, and we're just gonna go to the meet right now, cruising as a group. There's 4 of us. I wonder if we'll see any more folks once we get there. But yeah, it should be fun. Ooh. Don't want to get too dirty after the car wash. This cut just, I mean, I can't even talk. This truck just cut us off. That's really weird. I don't know, but whatever. And I would understand if he was trying to turn left, but he's not even trying to turn left. I don't know what he's doing. Okay, I think we made it, actually. That was a really weird way to get here, but that turned out to be good. So, pulling up now. There's a couple cars here. We'll see what happens. Oh, it's the people from yesterday. Look at, that's so sick. Oh my God. They don't stop coming. What the hell? And we're over here. I think it looks great.
No, no.
Wow, what a great wrap. I didn't even see that. Oh, this is the license plate? Nope. The Supra ended up parking next to us. I think two, actually. I'm not so good with my old ones, but that's awesome. The show and I was driving like a little fast because I was trying to get over and turn right at this stoplight here, and I was like, what the hell is that noise? I forgot the car on the front of the car. I didn't even say that right, but you know what I meant. So let me get that real quick and then I'll continue driving. You know, I'm glad it at least stayed on. So it didn't fly off or anything. I didn't lose it. There it goes. All right, so anyways, we were going, well, by we, I mean really just me. Everybody left for the second spot, so I don't want to go that far up north Colorado. So I'm actually just going to go to a deli. I want to get up some cold cuts. I need to make some sandwiches this week, and I'm really looking forward to getting some great cold cuts from oh man, I don't know. I think they're Russian. I don't know exactly, but maybe Polish, something like that. But oh my Jesus, these bumps are insane. But yeah, gonna be going to a deli, a Royal Deli in Aurora. I'll show you guys some of the stuff that I get. All right, check it. We got a medium-sized pickup today. We got some ham, some sausage, and some pickled tomatoes. These shits are so good. You know, yesterday I was filming this R8 and it seems like we found each other again on the freeway. I wonder if he actually like lives near me or something, but I just thought that was cool. But there's Mike Ward, Lamborghini and stuff. I want to go there eventually and film a vlog or something like that. We're getting to the end of our day here. Just in case this is the last clip, thank you guys so much for watching. Keeping it at 69 miles an hour. You know what to do. I'll catch you guys around the next time.